Hey everybody, I'm going to put a little decal or a badge on the back of my car. My son has one, so I figured I'd get one too. And this is a blacked out American flag. And I have a laser running right now that you can't see, or you might be able to see, but there's a laser line right here going across the car. And that's where I'm going to mount my my decal. Now I got this decal from a company called Grateful Fred. So what I'm going to start with is I just have a little solution here of Dawn dish soap and water. I don't know if you know this or not, but Dawn dish soap will take any wax off the car. So I'm just going to spray this down with a little soap and then just give it a wipe off. By doing that, that's going to take any wax off that, any wax or any residue that might have been on that spot. And they'll just take a couple of seconds to dry. That dries right up right away. And then all it is now is just to put the emblem right where that line is. And I think you might be able to see it a little bit. I can see it. You may not be able to see it, but I can see it. It happens to be right here. Now, that feels completely clean right now. Completely clean. So I'm going to take the backing off of this. Okay, that's very sticky, very, very sticky. And I'm going to put this in place and press it on. I think I'm going to put it like right that is right on the laser line right there, right on it. Right on it. I'm just going to press it for a little while. Supposed to hold it in place for a while. I know this is a little boring watching this, but this is what you have to do to put it on properly. And then I'll press the other side down for a while. And that's obviously a nice flat surface. I can actually see the back panel of the car flexing in a little bit doing this. I know that's going to be straight as an arrow because I got the laser on it. So what do you think? I think it looks pretty good. Try to get a little bit closer. You see the laser line? And that's it. Thanks for watching.